On the desirables list for dispatching systems was internet interfacing. Internet interfacing enables a manager or an owner, anybody with access to the server file with a smartphone or a desktop computer or a laptop, to see real time, pretty close to real time, how their fleet is, where their fleet is. So these are some of the radios I monitor. Up the top here we've got the IFL solution, which is in progress at present. It isn't fully commissioned, so some of this data is no longer accurate in terms of where the radios are right now. But by clicking on the icon we can get the little window popping up and telling us the detail. After a while people become familiar with what these actual fields in the delimited format represent. 206 all okay here. Puki 1 all okay, valid, the time. With Google Earth you can actually get reasonably good imagery, so you can see where somebody is. So if you can imagine if a radio goes into emergency, it gives you some quite good detail. Typically if somebody's in emergency they won't be moving much, so the data will be quite, or the presentation will be quite relevant. When we looked at the dispatch solution, we're looking at the Waitanuri farm. So the border of the farm is presented here. This is a farm boundary, so on a smartphone, desktop, laptop, you'll see this as well. So it's just using Google Earth and it's interfaced to the output of the CAS10 software. Once again, we can click on any of the icons and see the data. Now these guys had a bull sale yesterday, so they're probably having an early afternoon. Can't blame them. Waitanuri staff. So this guy here, basically he's no longer a concern of the farm owner because he's turned his radio off. That's the implement shed. He parked his quad bike in there, side by side in there, and he'll be in his house now. But he's signed off, so he's no longer a concern of the Waitanuri management. So that's quite an important feature. Somewhere floating around here there should be 3 vans, although they might have knocked off for the night. There's the spare van, and there's a south van and a north van somewhere. Pucky Puck, Waitanuri Wall. Oh, there's the south van, so he must be at his last stop for the day. He's turned his radio off. I know it's not where they park. That's at 17:20, so he's going to be late home tonight. So very powerful Google Earth interface to the CAS10 software.